What is up YouTube, IDM here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Forever Companion mode on iOS and Android. So it's really quite easy to install it. It's this website right here. Go ahead and search for Forever Companion here, and you'll find Forever Companion mode. So if you go to mode info, you'll find the following features as well. Go ahead, press the download button. So most of you been wanting to use this app to get like a virtual AI girlfriend like Amouranth or CarynAI. So you will get all of them, guys, and you'll get the balance as well. Just follow step by step as I'll show you now. So just a quick disclaimer, though we are mentioning a third-party store site, we do not endorse it, so please proceed with it at your own caution. So if you have an iPhone device, you should see a notification popping up saying configuration profile available. Just simply press allow here, and then what you have to do is go to your device settings. So right under your Apple ID, you should see this profile downloaded here. Tap on it, and then at top right corner you tap install. Now when you come back to the home screen, you'll see the Forever Companion app right here. This is the one you have to open, and you can just tap here start, and on the menu you will see you will have all the following features here. If I just simply scroll down, I can choose here Amouranth, tap here on the voice premium, and you'll see it's functional properly. Let me show you that the best part of using this app from APK mode Go is now if I go to balance, you'll see the mode basically works. If you came so far, don't forget to give a like and subscribe.